In our previous video, we have looked at negative numbers in the real world as well as the meaning of negative numbers. In this video, we're going to learn how to add and subtract negative numbers. Let us first look at how to add positive and negative numbers together. In this example, we have 5 plus negative 3. We can think of 5 as 5 ones, and we can think of negative 3 as 3 negative ones. 1 and negative 1 are opposites of each other, and can be combined to form a zero pair. Since 1 plus negative 1 is 0, we can remove the zero pair. By removing all the zero pairs, we see that we're left with 2 ones, so our answer is 2. Let us look at another example. In this question, we have 5 negative ones and 4 positive ones. Again, we form and remove the zero pairs and we're left with negative 1 as our answer. Now that we know how to add a positive number with a negative number, let us look at how to add two negative numbers. In this question, we have 6 negative ones and 2 negative ones, and we want to add them together. Since there are no zero pairs, we count the total number of negative ones we have, and that gives us our answer of negative 8. Now let us look at subtraction. To subtract 1 from negative 3, we first represent negative 3 as 3 negative ones. Subtracting 1 is the same as taking away 1, which we can view as a negative 1. This gives us a total of negative 4. Another way of looking at subtraction is to think of the minus sign as an indication of opposites. In this question, we have 6 ones and 2 negative ones. We want to subtract negative 2 from 6. Since minus means the opposite, we can think of that as changing or flipping the number after the minus sign. Opposite of negative 1 is 1. So by flipping both negative ones after the minus sign, we get 2 positive ones. Counting the total number of ones gives us 8 as the answer. Let us look at another example. In this question, we want to subtract a negative number from another negative number. Remember that the minus between the two numbers means opposite, and so we flip the negative ones after the minus sign to get 2 ones. By removing the zero pairs, we end up with negative 2 as our answer. In the next video, Miss Maiko will share another way to look at the addition and subtraction of negative numbers. Stay tuned.